Hello everyone, this is a quick demo for Wingman. So we built this as a part of Quack Hacks Hackathon last week. So the hackathon track that we chose was provided by ADP, and the theme was to build a full stack AI application that streamlines the post call follow ups part in the sales lifecycle. So we started off by doing a research as to what problems do sales professionals face during the entire life cycle of converting a customer. So everything was down to three main problems. The first problem was the research. So sales professionals spend a good number of hours researching about their prospect, just to be prepared and tailor their pitch according to the client. The second problem is uh, assistance during a call. So, oftentimes, sales professionals are put in a situation where they do not have an immediate answer or may not be able to handle immediate objections provided by the client. The third problem is the post call follow ups part itself. So there are a lot of operations done even after the call was made. So we're trying to streamline this entire life cycle with Wingman as an AI solution. So let's dive right into the demo. So the sales professional essentially has to just go to their dashboard, which would have all the meetings that are aligned for the week. And as a part of this demo, I'm going to be talking to Alice, who is the director of operations at NVIDIA. So as a first step, I'm going to start with the research. So as soon as I click on research, our multi-agentic system performs an entire in-depth research about Alice as well as NVIDIA. And the agents can use the tools a number of times until we have enough data to make sure that our pitch is good. So here, as we can see, there's a lot of information about NVIDIA as well as Alice, and it seems like they're working with 32,000 employees. So yeah, I've read this briefing, I'm all set for the call. So I click on start call and I'm redirected to this playground. And our app works with any platform like Zoom, Google Meet, or FaceTime audio, or any platform because it's independent of the platform, as we're using microphone and speaker to detect the prospect and the caller. So it's actually platform independent for in that matter. So I'm going to be joining Alice on a Google Meet, and let's see how our AI helps us during our live call. Hello.
Hey Harshal, how's it going?
Hey Alice, thanks for taking the time today. I know things get busy at a fast growing company, so I really appreciate it. I also saw that you recently hit the 32,000 employee mark, so congratulations on that. And I would also like to know how's everything going at NVIDIA.
Thank you. Yeah, things are going well, but it's been pretty hectic since we just crossed the employee mark last quarter. So everything on the HR side has definitely become more complex. That's actually one of the reasons I was open to this conversation.
Yeah, that's a great milestone, actually. So, just to make sure that I'm helpful today, I would like to understand how you're handling payroll and HR right now. What's working, what's not working. Then I'll be able to share where we might be able to help you out. Sounds good?
Sure, that works.
Awesome. So, what are you currently using for payroll?
We have been using Gusto for payroll since we were about 20 employees. It worked well when we were small, but as we have scaled, we are starting to see some limitations. The reporting is fairly basic, and the benefits administration becomes pretty clunky once you have started dealing with multiple carriers.
Yeah, I actually hear that a lot. So yeah, we do have clients who used to have Gusto and Bamboo HR as a service provider, and they migrated to ADP. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure like Gust, since you're working with Gusto, I think it's a solid product for specific teams. But once you start hitting a specific scale, it gets a little painful. So can you tell me a bit more about what specific pain points you're running into?
Yes, so the biggest thing is benefits. So we currently have three different carriers for medical, dental, and vision, and our current provider doesn't handle the reconciliation very well. My HR management manager probably spends like around 8 to 10 hours every month just manually fixing the deduction mismatches. And on top of that, Gusto doesn't really support Cobra administration, so we have to use a third party for that as well.
Yeah, definitely. So just some pulling up some data that we have been working with these with our clients in their migration. So about 80 to 85% of the clients who switched to using our product reported a reduced administrative burden. So yeah, they've also seen an improvement in their payroll efficiency. So I'm sure we might be able to help you out a lot here. So, may I also know if you're in the market looking for new services or new service providers?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. So, I would like to like set up a call later in the next week, maybe with one of my seniors. So, because I think migration is one of the big things that people are almost concerned with, especially given the scale at which you are operating. So, I just wanted to like share this data where about 80 to 85% of our clients, we have helped them migrate within 2 weeks. So that's not going to be an issue. And yeah, we also support a multi-carrier quoting and Cobra admin as well. So we can also provide you with all of those services that you are currently looking for. So yeah, I mean, if you're open for it, I would like to set up a call with one of my seniors, if that's okay with you.
Yes, that sounds great.
Okay, so may I know good day and time that works best for you?
So this week, how about next Tuesday?
Okay, next Tuesday sounds good. What time works best for you?
7 a.m. EST?
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. We can do that. Sure. So I will have someone from my team send you the calendar invite for the call, and I guess we'll take it from there.
Okay, that sounds great. Thanks, Arshil.
Thank you very much. Talk soon. Bye. Okay. So that's how our AI gives suggestions during the live calls. So yeah, I mean, it has our AI has an access to specific tools. It's an agentic system which has an access to specific tools which make this conversation which is really helpful in this conversation. So that's one thing. And another problem that, as I mentioned earlier, that we're solving is the post call follow up part. So as soon as the call is done, we can see everything here about the call, every information analysis of the call. So this is the transcript, this is a summary, and this is a part where which we have automated. So our agentic system also has a context on our team or the sales professionals team, and it would be able to um, provide a task assignment to my entire team based on the call, and it also provides a deadline for that task to be completed, which really helps in the post call follow-up part. And lastly, the coaching part. So it also provides improvement suggestions for me to handle similar calls better in the future. So yeah, that's how we are solving the entire sales call life cycle. Thank you.